mo inyapin may dakala may magasa ka rin kay. At itang lalawin mi po so maraguling expectations at iningke katamong inalal naman talagang veteran politician sa kalupanan ning reng dakal ken at sana itame itong intindihan tamo mo naman at lawin tamo po pabanuwaya pa mo ne at mag-expect tamong miracles na agyunangan gawan. I don't think yung ganging matinong tao po siguro naman isipan na agyunangan gawan yan kayong pabanwa. Imagine.
Okay. What kind of specific reforms would you like him to undertake, Averell?
So, binensyon niya po kitang statement, retang...
you want to stay, ne?
Yes, we want.
So,
muna po, gusto mo, burimi mong kitang kayang PA na medyo...
Provincial Administrator.
Ilele, uli nga kakit niya, margulyang yung meging sangkan, ubat masyadong makalapit ding aliwat, meging divisive bagya at takala itang sabihin na may dismaya. Kaya So, iting mumunan dili, kay but susulong niya po ng buwan niya itang multi-sectoral advisory council sumaw. Kasi lalawin tamo po kaya nandi ko katang yun, good governance. Itong aspeto na po ng good governance, participatory. Mading memalen, pwede lang makiyabe. So, anyapin po susulong may itang reform sa may itong kareta, itang multi-sectoral council, advisory council, na pwede lang makialam ding memalen.
Iyamong ko, Bewari, piningkaya na, itang advocacy na.
Opo.
Participatory, consultative,
governance,
accountable.
Exactly po. At so far naman po, kayong panlalawin, nung pisabihan tayo itang accountability, so akakita naman po siguro, po itang transparency in governance, so akakita naman po kayo. Ala pa naman, siguro po nung ating kaming ikita, may ngurakot na yung gobernador, amo muna kayong diling talakad ken. Pero, hanggat po ala kami pa nga kakita may ngurakot la, kasi po yung isyong maragul ngayon, yung corruption kayong gobyerno, At akakakit niya, pamurin po, at this moment na iya pa rin yung best alternative, best leader to represent the change that we are looking for leaders.
Pero Averell, nung lawen itang demands yun, one of your demands to remove the provincial administrator. I think it's a very simple and plain demand. Why can't he do it?
Keng revised penal code, impossible crime ito. No. What I'm saying is, the governor has been very candid. At saka firm niya kitang kayang statements naman. We see it on the papers. Akakitaya ka rin interviews na definitely he will not because
he will not do it.
Lately, ing sasabihan na ping kalaban ing kayang PA. Kakampiya at kayabe keng pamanyulong, keng good governance, etc. So on that note, I don't think the first demand
will be
of
granted.
KMI would be granted. What happens next now?
Ikami po maraguling kapanwalan mi, makiramdam mi i-gob, kay karening adwan ming reforms sa reni. At uling di na tayong tsansa, sabi rapin din, binanggit daw, bala mo may glolok at may iksawa. Pero makanita kagad, tambing mo ng lalakwan ng popang i-divorce. Di na talang tsansa siguro. At makanyan po yung lawe mi, so we still hoping na makrandam yung gobernador.
Do you have a deadline for it?
Didinan niya po hanggang December.
December of this year. So nung enal ako yung PA na honor before December 31, what is the next
kasi
step?
po ing kay Kenny, ing masakit po kasi Kenny itang lalawen ing milyari po kasi kay katamo kayong politics itang ilaltala rin kay katamong opisyalis patang kahit na makialam
Wapin.
So, ikami lalawin yan ang puketang aspetong tang responsible citizenship So, nung bisa tamong pamagbayo, kailangan ding may malen mo naman turuanan talang makiabe. Kasi yung malilyari, ilaltala, patang kay, patang ilang mag-perform, paborenta naman, naman makiabe, sasawp, patang kay batikusan tala at buri talang ilaglag uling ilang mag-perform. So, Eko po isipan makanitay dapat yung metong kaya pamapolitika. So yung gagawan mi po, yung pupus mi sana nung sakali man pilit na ning gobernador na napakrandaman dening adwan ming reforms. We will still continue with our advocacy. Sumulong niya po kay kaming isulong mi kay kaming advocacy for good governance. In fact, ali kami mo po makipag-partner with aliwa
With
mo
other groups.
iamong ed yang babatakusan mila po rin po tangela tutuki ketang prinsipyo na nitang kay kaming tutulak advocacy for good governance and responsible citizenship. Intutunan po niyan, makipartner kami naman karing aliwang
Grupo.
elected officials because we believe that they also have the mandate of the people. So nyacho kami, may kipag-dialogue kami po kay SP at masanting milyari ketang resulta na ning dialogue mi kay SP.
Kaya Pinabirel, just in case, on or before October 31, 2000, December 31, 2008, eneleko itanggay, PA na. What is your next step?
Lawe ko po makiramdam ya. Ako maragul po kay pang makiramdam ya pa yan.
If it does not listen to your demand, what will you do?
Well, probably that's the time that we can exert more pressure
Okay.
On the government.
But would you consider signing the recall campaign? The signature campaign?
Definitely ali kami po
okay.
because recall is a political move and kami imburimi sumaup kami. Kita po yung lalawin.
So siguro I just would like to ask our guest, why does he go to, outside of Manila to hold his press con as if he's running for help? Rasmi?
Sani might be able
Sige,
to
Sani?
answer that.
Tata Sani?
Ito to, makasiraman kayo Kasi bala mo wala na yung pigwanan sa portaket, niya magpasaportaya ka ng Gilwal. Makanyan nga ning impression, Ken. Ngayon, ikareta naman kayong Gilwal, bala mo yung sultuan to rin Kapampangan. Eta naman magmayabang itang Kapampangan, pero nung kulkulan may pagkakatamong kasaysayan, palambatan ng ating mismong advance sa society, even pre-colonial. Advance na yung kakatamong society, at linto ka rin research ngayon ito. At pati kayong trade, kayong business, mag-export na malambat na kayong Japan, kayong China. So, sabihin, bala mo yung sulto kaya katamong at ang problema kayo, ba't makialam na bala mo eta balo yung gagawan tam.
Makisaw-saw laki problema kayo ni.
Sensuar sa
Kaya ko lang po yung laway ko rin. Because this is a national issue, we're talking here of reforms and admit it or not, yamong yan po maging simbolo na itang change. At nakakita mo naman yan kayong makanano din lawin kayong national So nyapin lulubay ni, it's the issue on good governance and corruption and righteous leadership. So national issue po yan. At kakit ko at makialam la rin kayong national karening issue nga rin.
Rosby?
Actually, I disagree with
Abe.
Abe. The issues are limited to Pampanga. Parochial issues.
That's right.
Managerial expertise. Pisasabihan Kenny, dapat deng mag-resolve kayong pisasabyanan ng probinsya. Deng kayong probinsya ng Kapampangan. Sasabihan ng Kapatid Aberel, uling yung simbolo na nitang Krusadang Good Governance. O neng kiyetimuking probinsya ng Kapampangan, bala mo yan effective sa simbol So, potang yan effective yung simbol, papalitan mo na yung simbol.
Okay.
Because you cannot make a person as a symbol for good governance nung effective governor ang pong effective leader kay probinsya ng Kapampangan. I will cite some specifics. Map na mo.
Sige.
I'm very sure Aberel is very familiar with this uling manifesto day ni.
Okay.
No to recall, yes to reforms.
Okay.
In-emphasize dala kay ni hapin ding arguments mi rin kay kaming petition.
Recall.
Pero deng make define ding grupo da rin Kapampangan Marangal Incorporated.
Okay.
Karenga niya duwandang reforms.
Okay.
Much needed reforms na challenge the Governor Panlilyong Gawano Reni immediately. Ensure checks and balances at the capital by not concentrating power and authority on the provincial administrator who holds other positions of influence. Ikang maga point And that is a symptom of your managerial expertise. Putting the right people in the right position. Apparently, even his supporters disagree with his choice of the provincial administrator.
By concentrating that power
Yes.
in the provincial administrator.
Etaya talaga balot, pa ko-concentrate na kening meto nga tao, in power na ning gobernador, yung inelect da rin tao. Ne? Kay bat, o ini pa,